sharing.
Online sharing.
Bilang ulit.
3, 2, 1, action. Voice chat! And today, we're going to talk about the internet. The internet, also known as the net or the web, is an interactive medium of mass media and can briefly be described as a network of networks.
Kain ka na kain dyan, yung bata mo, hindi mo ba tapos? Ano ba yan?
It consists of millions of smaller domestic, academic, business and government networks which together carry various information and services such as email, online chat, file transfer, and the interlinked web pages and other documents that of the World Wide Web. The internet is quickly becoming the center of communication media. Everything is becoming more accessible via internet.
Hoy, bilisan mo dyan. Susunod pa ako.
Ipal ka.
Ano ba yan? Nanonood ka na nga ng TV, nag-i-internet ka pa. Ang taas-taas na nga ng bill natin eh.
Even the education system relies on the internet. Teachers can contact the entire class by sending one email. They may have web pages where students can get another copy of the class outline or assignments.
Action.
Blogging too has become a persuasive form of media. A blog is a website usually maintained by an individual with regular entries of commentary, descriptions or events, or interactive media such as images or videos. Social networking culture started with chat rooms and email. Now we have videos, photos, voice chat, online sharing, and much more. Although the internet is made available to anyone and empowers people not only as receivers but also as sources of messages, it also has its advantages and disadvantages. And now, here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. But first, we go to disadvantages. First, addictive. Sorry, pare, ah. Second, people became too dependent on the internet. True lalo. Third, people spend less time for interpersonal attraction, especially within the family of the gay culture. Joke. Now we go to advantages. My favorite. First, educational purposes. Right, miss? Second, communication. And third, business. Lastly, entertainment. Watch this.
Open Gangnam Style.
One,
Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
Nasayaw-sayaw ka ba dyan? Mabangap-bangap pa kayong bata eh. Asikusuin mo na.
and there you and there you have it. Things you need to know about the web. Hope you enjoyed our video. Till next time.
Action.
Hi, I'm Ian.
Galing.
Dali lang seryoso na tatawa. Fact, educational. Sorry. Happy birthday. And now, we go for sorry. What's that ba?
The Captain America game.
No, not yet. Later. We will buy a plate for it. Muna. We don't have enough money pa eh.
2, action.
And here are the effects to that.